Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can probably tell, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup look. This is the look I came up with, super pink, super romantic. I just love this look so much. Of course, you could pair this look with a nude lip if you don't want to go so bold, but I love the eyes. I feel like it's super fun. Obviously this year, everything's a bit different, so I just feel like if you're at home on Valentine's, do your makeup, have fun with it, and just sit around in your house in it, do you know what I mean? Anyway, I always feel like my intros are super long, so if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So to start off this look, I'm going to prep my face, just so it can all kind of sink in before I do my face later on. So I'm going to be taking my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I have been so obsessed with this ever since I got it. Literally don't know how I lived without it before. It gives my skin that really nice glow. And just makes it feel super hydrated as well, which is exactly what I personally want when I do my makeup. It's really important to hydrate your skin before applying makeup. So next, moving on to brows, I'm going to be taking my Brow Pro Fix It Brow Soap as usual. Just going to spray, rub into the soap. I'm just going to brush all the brow hairs upwards. I honestly don't know what I did before brow soap. I never thought I'd be into it, but I 1000% am. I do it every single time I do my makeup. I don't think I could ever go back to like a straight Instagram brow ever again. Most important step when you're using a brow soap is to go around and get rid of the soap around the brows, otherwise it will really disturb your makeup. So I just use a little cotton bud. So I'm taking my trusty Urban Decay Brow Blade. This is my favourite product if I'm doing this fluffy brow look, which, as I said before, is pretty much all the time. I like to take the ink stain side and I just go in and add some brush strokes through the brow, just to make them look a bit more full. So next I'm going to be carving out my brows and prepping my eyelid ready for eyeshadow, and I'm going to be taking my Jouer concealer. I literally use this all the time, but this is the best concealer ever, and I don't think I'm ever going to find one that I like more than this. And I'm going to be taking a flat brush. This is the Peaches and Cream PC40 brush. So I just carve out the brow like that, and then I take the rest of the concealer over the eyelid. And I really like pat this concealer down so I get maximum coverage, which is really important, especially if you're doing a more bright look like I'm doing today. Then a super important step is to take a big fluffy brush and just tap out that concealer, because you don't want it to be super tacky, you just want it to be a little bit tacky. Otherwise it will really disturb your eyeshadow. So today I'm going to be taking my Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2 palette. I feel like this is the perfect palette for this look. As you can see, there's loads of pinks, which is what I'm kind of going for today. So I'm just going to be taking a nice fluffy brush. This is from Beauty Bay. And the first colour I'm going to take is this bright pink here called Lolly Mama, and I'm basically going to kind of press this into the crease and kind of blend as I go. And you just want to keep going in and in until you're happy with the blend. Then I'm going to do the exact same on the other eye. Right, once I'm happy with the blend of that, I'm going to go in with the brighter one called Tipsy Girl. I'm going to take the same brush and I'm just going to deepen the crease with this shade. So I'm not taking it all the way up, I'm just kind of focusing it just in the crease, and this will really brighten things up. I'm just going to take a completely clean brush and I'm just going to go around the edges and make sure that everything is super blended out. Then I'm going to go in with this shade here called Dance Party. It's just a bit of a darker fuchsia red, I think. I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush just so I can be a bit more precise, and I'm going to apply this on the outer V of the eye. And then I'm going to kind of blend it upwards as well into the crease. So what is everyone doing for Valentine's Day? It's on a Sunday this year, which is really stupid. I mean, we all can't do anything anyway. Does anyone have any nice plans? I always associate Valentine's Day with my birthday because my birthday is 2 days after Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day isn't really a big deal to me because I just think about my birthday. Right, I'm going to go back in with my Jouer concealer, back in with the flat brush that I used to carve out my brow, and I'm going to create a half cut crease. So as I always say in every video, let me know if I do get boring, but I do like to explain in every video just in case there's someone new watching. I just follow the crease of my eye. And when I'm doing more like bright looks like this, I like to go a bit above where the natural crease is, just to make it a little bit more dramatic. So another super important part is to tap out the outside of that concealer, so then you can get a nice blend. If you leave that stark line at the end, any eyeshadow is just going to cling to it, so you're never going to be able to blend it. So then I'm going to go in with, I think, this shimmer here. Am I don't know. Oh no. Right, I'm going to go in with this shimmer here called Drama Queen. I might kind of mix all of the shimmers, I don't really know, because none of them are like screaming at me to use them. Okay, I've changed my mind. I am going to use this one here. I think I need to brighten it a little bit, so I'm going to take my Peaches and Cream pigment in Starlight. Yeah, that looks cute. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes. I'm going to do this off camera because I just feel like it takes me ages and there's no point in you guys watching it every single time. So I'll be right back after I've applied my lashes. Right, so my lashes are now on and we're going to move on to the face. Okay, so lashes are now on and we're going to move on to the face. I feel like today I want to have a really nice glowy luminous base. I feel like that will go really, really nicely with this look. So obviously we've already primed the face with my Bobbi Brown face base, and now I'm going to be taking my NARS Radiant Longwear foundation. This is literally my favourite foundation ever. And I'm going to go in with a flat brush and I'm just going to basically paint this over the face. So when I've painted it on as much as possible, I then take this brush here, which is the Peaches and Cream PC21 brush, and I'm just going to buff it all in. You could just go in with this brush straight away, but I find if you use a flat brush and really like paint it on, that gives you the maximum coverage, and then this brush kind of like makes it all really blend into your skin so it doesn't look like you've been painted. Then gonna move on to concealer again. This is the Jouer one once again. I'm gonna put this under my eyes, forehead, down the nose, cupid's bow, chin, all the usual places, and I'm gonna use the same brush as I just used to blend this all in. Now time to bake. I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie Powder. Just going to take some on a little brush and I'm going to apply this everywhere that needs to be set or I want to be brightened, but you definitely want to take this under your eye. Then once that's sat for a little bit, I'm going to brush it all away. Next I'm going to use a cream contour. This is the Huda Beauty Tantour. So I'm just going to apply it in all the places that I want it. Then I'm going to go in and just blend this. Then I'm going to take a liquid blush. This is from Clinique. I'm pretty sure this isn't available anymore, which is so sad because it's one of my favourite ones. But I do really recommend the Iconic London liquid blushes if you want something similar. Just take my finger to tap this all out. I'm just going to take my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and I'm just going to briefly set some areas. I'm going to take my trusty Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. Just going to apply a little bit on the cheekbones. I don't think I need too much. For bronzer, I'm going to take the Doll Beauty Gimme Some bronzer. Just going to take this all over where I took that cream contour. I'm going to take this Makeup Academy blusher in Marshmallow. This is really intense, as you can see, but it's super pink and that's what I want. So I'm going to go in like sparingly with it. Okay, I didn't go in that sparingly. Then you just want to take a powder brush and really blend that. Okay, so now I think I should go under my eyes. So I'm basically going to do the exact same as I did on top. Firstly, going to take that pink shade, but not the bright one. And I'm going to just take this under my eye. This is the Sigma E45 brush. This is amazing for under the eye. I say it all the time, but honestly, it works so well. And I'm going to join up that edge. Then I'm going to go in with the brighter pink, and I'm going to take this little brush, which is the Peaches and Cream PC32 brush, and I'm going to do the same thing but kind of take this closer towards the lash line. And I'm just going to take the same brush and take that darker pink shade we used right at the end, and I'm going to take this on the outer bit of my eye and kind of halfway, so basically just going to the centre of the eye and stopping there. Next, going to take highlighter. I'm going to be using the Milani Instant Glow Powder in Afterglow. This highlighter really is fab if you want that almost like wet look highlighter and not so glittery. Cupid's bow, chin. I'm going to take some above my brows. Then going in with a smaller brush, and I'm going to take it on my nose. I'm going to take some of my brow bones and also in my inner corners. And then last but not least, I'm going to do my lips. I think I'm going to go for a bold pink. Let's see how it goes. I'm just going to take my Morphe lip liner in Backseat Love. Okay, I've chickened out. I think I'm going to do a nude. Just because I think the eyes are so much, it would actually look quite nice if I just had a nude lip. So I'm going to be taking this Doll Beauty Doll Lips in Dolled Out. I'm going to apply a bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW on top. I don't think that lip colour works. Alright, I think I'm just going to try the bold. This is the e.l.f. lip lacquer in bold pink, which it is. The last step is just going to be lower lash mascara. So guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I actually love how this look turned out. I was really sceptical about doing a bright lip, but I'm so glad I did. I think it really ties it in together and looks super Valentine's-y. I think I did the exact same look like this with this lip like a few years ago, I'm pretty sure. But oh well. I love it. Pink. Love it. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So when you're watching this, my birthday is literally in like a few days. So I think I'm going to do a little birthday tutorial makeup look video if you guys would like that. So please let me know down below if you'd like to see that. Anyway, I think that's all from me. So I hope you guys have a lovely rest of the day, and I'll see you in my next video.